the anti-pits! Yes! Are we gonna play Shine Pan Shine for poached eggs? Are we gonna play level 1? And it's loading! Are we gonna have fun with Angry Birds? So we're gonna pull this, and we're gonna pull... Die! You're gonna die! No! The fucking pig didn't die! I'm going to die if the pig doesn't die! Look at the pig! Please! We can hold time on train! 0611 3 stops! 3 fucking stops! Are we gonna play the next level with the Angry Bird? Let's see what the fuck we do. I got fucking victory! Look! I got Please die! No! Okay, what the fuck? Just die! What? The fucking pig has to die! Please die! The pig needs to die!